Hey guys, this is Vincent from Peru Center for Public Health, and I wanted to personally welcome to thank you for joining us today. We're really glad you are here because of this podcast about malnutrition or undernutrition. It is designed for you, so let's begin now. This podcast is one way to vehiculate our message about malnutrition. The malnutrition is caused by many things, and the reason of this malnutrition is because someone don't eat healthily. So our message for those persons is to eat healthily. Not only that, but to teach everyone about healthy food. Because we can see in our daily life the impact of malnutrition. We can stop malnutrition when we change our attitude, and that is the key point of this. To stop malnutrition, we need to focus on our attitude. In Madagascar, adult population are faced about malnutrition. I can give you one statistic. 36% of women in Madagascar have anemias. So this is our principal target. A single mother, about 15th and 35 years old. That person is the more affected by malnutrition in Madagascar. So we desire to help them and to encourage them to have a better life. For more information, I encourage you to see the podcast on my YouTube page and add some comment or another solution on this matter. So thank you very much, guys, turning into this episode of malnutrition. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe so you are notified when a new podcast episode are come. Rate and review this podcast and share it with your friend. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope that they are living with some great thing that can help you and your life.